हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल।
आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए OCM क्वेश्चन बैंक के क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3 एंड 6 के सॉल्यूशंस लाई हूँ।
इसके पहले मैंने 3 वीडियोस इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड अपलोड किए हैं, जिसमें मैंने पूरा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कंप्लीट किया था। अगर आपने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं तो मैंने उसकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी प्रोवाइड कर रखी है। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से जाके सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आपको मेरे लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स मिल सके।
So let's begin the today's video. Question number 2 is explain the following terms or concept. मैं ये क्वेश्चंस के सॉल्यूशन सिर्फ आपकी एक आइडिया के लिए अपलोड कर रही हूँ। ये क्वेश्चंस के आंसर आप अपने मन से भी लिख सकते हैं, बट उसका मीनिंग वही होना चाहिए, कुछ अलग नहीं होना चाहिए। और सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स आपके आंसर में कवर ज़रूर करने हैं आपको। तो द फर्स्ट वन इज प्रिंसिपल ऑफ यूनिटी ऑफ कमांड। आंसर: Principle of unity of command means each member of organization should receive orders from only one superior. If an employee receives commands from more than one authority, he will get confused. Second, organizing. Organizing is the process of identifying, bringing the required resources together, such as men, money, material, machine, and method, grouping and arranging them properly for achieving objectives. Third, controlling. Controlling is the function of comparing the actual performance with predetermined standard performance. Fourth, KPO. KPO means knowledge process outsourcing. Functions related to knowledge and information are outsourced to third-party service providers. Fifth, Entrepreneurship Development Program, that is EDP. EDP is a program designed to help a person in strengthening his entrepreneurial motive and in acquiring skills and capabilities necessary for playing his entrepreneurial role efficiently. Sixth, Insurance. Insurance is a means of protection against risk of uncertain loss. Seventh, outsourcing. Outsourcing is a process of contracting a business function or any specific business activity to specialized agencies, mostly the non-core areas such as sanitation, security, household pantry, etc. Eighth, social responsibility. Social responsibility of business refers to its obligation to take those decisions and perform those actions which are desirable in terms of objectives and values of our society. Ninth, corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility (CSR) is self-regulated business model aims to contribute to societal goals or volunteering or ethically oriented practices. 10th, National Commission. A consumer dispute redressal forum at the national level established by central government is known as National Commission. It is also known as Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. 11th, Promotion of the product. Promotion is a tool of marketing communication which helps to publicize the product of customer. 12th, Product. Product refers to goods or services that are offered to the customer for sale and are capable of satisfying the need of customer. 13th, Labeling. Label is a slip which is found on product and provides all information regarding the product and its producer. The slip on which all information is provided is called label and its process is called labeling. 14th, Marine Insurance. Marine insurance is a contract whereby the insurance company undertakes to pay compensation to insured in case of loss to him due to dangers of sea. 15th, Life Insurance. Life insurance is a contract whereby the insurance company undertakes to pay a certain sum of money either on death or maturity for a consideration. 16th, Fire Insurance. Fire insurance is a contract in which insurance company or insurer promises to pay compensation to insured if something happens to the subject matter due to fire or related events. Here we complete our question number 2. Now let's move on to the question number 3, which is study the following case or situation and express your opinion. Here the paragraph is given and we have to find the answers of the questions given below. So let's begin this.
First, name the management function Navnath was involved in. Answer: Navnath was involved in planning and organizing functions of management because Navnath is responsible for arranging funds, construction, machinery and required raw material properly for achieving the objectives. Second, who did staffing for the firm? Answer: Jagannath is performing the staffing function of management because he hired architects, draftsmen, surveyors, contractors and laborers. Third, which management function Navnath and Jagannath did jointly? Answer: Navnath and Jagannath did jointly planning function of management. So the first question is over. Now let's move on to the second one. So the first one in that, identify the type of account maintained by Miss Harshali. Answer: Miss Harshali has maintained current account. This account is operated by business firms and other commercial organizations. In this account, there is no restriction on deposit and withdrawals of amount. No interest is paid by bank on this account. Second, suggest any one modern way of money transfer to Miss Harshali. Answer: Miss Harshali can transfer money online. IMPS stands for Immediate Payment Services. This facility allows customers to instantly transfer funds to any other bank account. Third, what kind of facility does she get on her bank account? Answer: Miss Harshali gets overdraft facility on her account. This facility is offered to current account hold to meet their working capital needs. The period can vary from 15 to 60 days. Interest is charged on actual amount withdrawn. Here the second answer is completed. Now let's move on to the third one. And in that, the first one is, can Mr. Sadagopan take life insurance policy for 2 children? Answer: yes, Mr. Sadagopan can take life insurance policy for 2 children. Life insurance policy can be taken by individuals for his life or for family members. Here, insurance company undertake to pay certain sum of money either on death or maturity. Second, is child insurance suitable for a wife of Mr. Sadagopan? No, child insurance policy is not suitable for wife of Mr. Sadagopan. A child insurance policy is a saving cum investment plan that is designed to meet child's future financial needs. A child insurance policy allows kids to live their dreams. Third, which account of insurance should Mr. Sadagopan take for protecting his factories from loss due to fire? Answer: Mr. Sadagopan should take fire insurance policy to protect his factories from the risk of loss due to fire. The type of fire policy he needs to buy depends on the types of goods produced by him and his specific requirements. Here we complete the third question. Now let's move on to the fourth one. In that, the first is, name the type of account Shirish must be operating. Answer: Shirish must be operating a current account. Such account is usually operated by businessmen, companies, corporations, public bodies, trusts or any other commercial organization. Second, on which amount Shirish will have to pay interest on loan? Answer: Shirish will have to pay interest on 25 lakhs. Third, which service did the bank make available to Easy Messrs Creative Furniture while paying rupees 4.75 lakhs? Answer: the bank provided the facility of discounting of bills of exchange. The drawer of bills of exchange can discount the bill with bank to obtain an advance amount. At the time of maturity, the bank will recover the amount from the drawee. Here we complete our fourth question. Now let's move on to the fifth one. First, which right is represented in above example? Answer: the right to information is represented in above example. According to this right, consumers should be provided with adequate information about all aspects of goods and services. Second,
If product has some deficiency and producer refuses to accept it and ignores the complaint, where can aggrieved consumer seek redressal? Answer: in this case, aggrieved consumer can approach consumer redressal forums at the district, state and national level depending on the value of goods and claim for compensation. We do not know the quantity of tinned goods food purchased. Hence, it is difficult to estimate whether the consumer will seek redressal at district, state or national level. Third, state the name of the Act. Answer: it is the Consumer Protection Act 2019 that was established three-tier quasi-judicial machinery for resolving disputes and has provided consumers with various rights. Here we complete our fifth one. Now let's move on to the sixth one. First, and that provision of which section is applicable in case company follows CSR activities. Answer: in case company follows CSR activities, section 135 of Companies Act 2013 is applicable. Second, how much amount company needs to spend on CSR activities? Answer: the company needs to spend at least 2% of the average net profits made during the 3 immediately preceding financial years on CSR activities. Therefore, in the case, it needs to spend 2,40,000 on CSR. Third, how many directors are required to constitute CSR committee? Answer: 4 directors are required to constitute CSR committee. Here we complete our question number 3. Now let's move on to question number 6. You can find out question number 4 and 5 answer in your textbook. So let's begin with the question number 6, which is justify the following statements. First, planning is the first function of management. Answer: planning refers to detailed program of future courses of action. Second, it includes deciding the things to be done in advance. Third, all other functions of management are based on planning. Fourth, unless the plan is ready, other management functions such as organizing, staffing, directing, etc. cannot be undertaken. Hence, planning is the basic and first function of management process. Second question, organizing facilitates administration as well as operation of the organization. Answer: organizing functions is called as doing function, that is putting the plan into action. Administration and operation both are doing function, as organizing is the process of putting together various resources and activities of the organization into a system. Second, organizing involves identifying the activities and grouping of relative activities of administration and operational department. Third, the organizing function defines, departmentalizes and assigns activities so that they can be most effectively executed for the smooth flow of administration. Fourth, due to proper grouping of tasks and the employees, there is an increase in production and reduction in wastage. The duplication of work can be avoided and effective delegation becomes possible. Hence, organizing facilitates administration as well as operation of the organization. Third question, entrepreneur must be a good communicator. Answer: coordination among people can be achieved by communication. Second, an entrepreneur needs to communicate effectively with different people like customers, employees, creditors, etc. from time to time. He should have good communication skill and command over language he speaks to be able to express his ideas and strategies effectively. Good communication skills means proper understanding between sender and receiver of message. Hence, entrepreneur must be a good communicator. Fourth question, entrepreneur must be an innovator. Answer: innovation is a dynamic change brought by an entrepreneur by bringing new combinations of factors of production. Innovation by entrepreneur must for development of organization. An entrepreneur can be an innovator by many ways. They are: introduction of a new product. Entrepreneur through his skills and intelligence creates new product. Introduction of new method of production. By introducing new and latest technology, an entrepreneur brings new life and energy in method of production, opening a new market. An innovative entrepreneur creates and opens new avenues, ideas and products which opens a new market. Carrying out new forms of organization for industry. An innovative entrepreneur is the one who discovers new methods and materials for inventions and discoveries. Hence, entrepreneur must be an innovator. Fifth, coordination between different functions of management is the essence of organizational success. Answer: coordination is an integration of different activities which is essential for smooth flow. It establishes harmony among all activities of an organization in achieving desired goals. It will not exist unless efforts are taken at all levels of management. Coordination is synchronization of efforts of groups so as to provide unity of action for organizational goals. It is a hidden force that binds all functions at all levels of management. It is an organization. The people working together have common goals and linked to each other. Coordination function brings all group efforts together and harmonize them. Coordination is an orderly arrangement of group efforts to provide unity of action to achieve goals. Cooperation, teamwork and higher efficiency level leads to attainment of goals. Hence, coordination between different functions of management is the essence of success of organizational success. Next, principle of equity is important. Answer: the principle of equity suggests that all employees should be given kind, fair and equal treatment. Managers should be kind, impartial and fair to all. There should not be any discrimination between the employees while making payment of wages. The employees working on same level but in different departments should be paid same wages. The wages payable to employees should not depend on departments but level at which they are working. There should not be any discrimination between employees while distributing work. It helps to develop loyalty of employees towards organization and avoid conflicts. Hence, principle of equity is important. Seventh, principles of management are flexible in nature. Answer: principles of management acts as a guide for decision making and action. They establish cause and effect relationship. Principles of management are not rigid. They are flexible in nature as they can be changed or modified according to situation. Principles of management are flexible guidelines providing ample scope for making changes in nature, size, situation, etc. of enterprise. The modern business work is dynamic. The situations keep on changing and the principles are changed, adjusted or modified. Hence, principles of management are flexible in nature. Eighth, warehousing is important. Answer: warehousing is a group of activities connected with storing and preserving of stored goods from time of production till consumption. It is one of the important services which supports business activities. It performs a wide range of functions such as price stabilization, risk bearing, financing, grading and packing, transportation, processing, etc. Warehousing also creates time and place utility. Hence, warehousing is important. Ninth, business services are necessary. Answer: no business can operate effectively in an isolated manner. Every business requires the support of some activities. Business services are those services which help in successful running of business. They help businessmen to function smoothly. They play a crucial role in facilitating the growth of business. Hence, business services are necessary. 10th, outsourcing is important. Answer: outsourcing is the process of contracting business function or specific business activity to specialized agency. A firm mostly outsources non-core areas such as sanitation, security, household pantry, etc. The outsourcing enables a firm to focus on core areas. Outsourcing also leads to reduction of cost and ensures availability of expertise. The various advantages associated with outsourcing are overall cost advantages, stimulates entrepreneurship, employment and exports, low manpower cost, etc. Hence, outsourcing is important. 11th, expectations of society towards business organizations are changing. Answer: society's expectations from business firms have undergone drastic change over time. Earlier, businesses were viewed just as provider of goods and services. Now they act as a reasonable citizen besides providing goods and services. Businesses are also expected to contribute towards social welfare. Hence, expectations of society towards business are changing. 12th, business organizations have responsibilities towards different interest groups. Answer: although business organizations are run by profit motive, commitment to society is equally important. Social responsibility of business refers to its obligations to take business decisions and perform actions which are desirable or ethical in terms of objectives and values of society. It involves an element of voluntary action on part of business people for benefit of society. Business organizations need to fulfill various responsibilities towards their owners, investors, employees, consumers, government and society at large. Hence, business organizations have responsibilities towards different interest groups. 13th, consumers are protected with various rights. Answer: consumer rights protect consumer from being cheated by salesman, manufacturer and shopkeeper. These rights include the following: right to safety, right to information, right to represent, right to choose, right to be heard, etc. These rights play an important role in ensuring safety and protection of consumers. In the absence of these rights, consumers could have been exploited. Hence, consumers are protected with various rights. 14th, CPA has set up various consumer dispute redressal forums at various levels. Answer: the Consumer Protection Act provided for the establishment of consumer dispute redressal forums at district, state and national level. These forums differ in terms of their territorial jurisdiction and monetary jurisdiction. Each of them deals with cases falling within their jurisdiction. Therefore, these forums, known as District Commission, State Commission and National Commission, enables consumers to resolve disputes in timely and efficient manner. Hence, CPA has set up various consumer dispute redressal forums at various levels. 15th, role of NGOs is important in consumer protection. Answer: the main aim of NGOs is to study the trend of market prices and publish them for the information of consumers as well as to agitate against malpractices of traders. NGOs are responsible for the following: to organize campaigns and various programs on consumer issues to create social awareness, to organize training programs for the consumers and make them conscious for their rights and modes of redressal of grievances, to publish periodicals to enlighten the consumers about various consumer related developments, to interact with businessmen and chambers of commerce and industry for ensuring a better deal for consumers, etc. These activities play an important role in consumer education. Hence, role of NGOs is important in consumer protection. 16th, marketing is significant to consumers. Answer: marketing helps to create awareness about the product among the consumers and help them in decision making. It creates a moral pressure on the business to provide quality goods to consumers. It ensures that business provides a variety of goods to cater to needs of different market segments. Marketing makes every effort to satisfy the customer. It helps to maintain a balance between demand and supply. Hence, marketing is significant to customers. 17th, promotion plays an important role in marketing. Answer: promotion means any type of marketing communication used by business enterprises to inform and persuade potential buyers to buy the product or service. The promotion mix comprises of different tools such as advertising, sales, promotion, marketing, publicity, etc. Promotional activities helps the organization to increase brand awareness and in the market. It creates brand recognition and increases sales. Promotion helps to increase sales, increase profit and income is reinvested in business. It will earn more and more profits in future. Hence, promotion plays an important role in marketing. Here we complete our question number 6. You can find solutions of question number 7 and 8 in your textbook. So here we complete our question bank of OCM. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for being till the last. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it fast and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And please like, comment and share with your friends so that they can also receive solutions of question bank.